The hair. If you want to learn about the hair, keep on watching. This unit is from Mayvenn Hair. It is 20 inches and in the shade Burgundy. This is what the cap construction looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is pluck the wig. I'm going to go ahead and get that hairline together. And then I'm going to go in with a cream base foundation that is close to my skin tone, and I put that all over the inside of the cap and also around the edges. And now you see me cutting the lace, and I'm cutting it in like a jagged, like, you know, so that way it blends when I lay it. Now I'm putting on a lighter concealer onto the part. This is what the wig looks like before I decided to put curls in it. She's real cute, straight, bone straight, but you know, I had to bump the ends, you know, it's in me, not on me, feel me? So I'm brushing out the wig now. Look, first of all, she holds a curl miraculously. Delicious. Butter. Look at it. I threw some baby hairs in there. And what? Unclockable. Big red. Let me know if you enjoyed. Bye.